Hi folks, we are going to practice top 5 questions from the process domain yet again. These are aligned with the PMP exam content outline, which is the latest one. I hope you are enjoying these question series. Let's begin. Over to you. A healthcare company is implementing a customer relationship management system. Initially, the project scope included basic patient records and appointment management features. However, after several meetings with stakeholders, the project team decides to expand the scope to include integrated telemedicine functionality to improve patient experience. What type of change request is this? At the end of the design workshop, a Scrum team is evaluating new features to enhance user experience. Stakeholders are pushing for all ideas to be implemented in the upcoming sprints. The Scrum team is under pressure to implement new features, but product owner is peculiar about long-term effects before immediate benefits. How should the team move forward? Beta user testing shows higher interest in feature B over feature A. How should the Scrum team move forward? A Scrum team working on banking application enhancements during backlog grooming session team is evaluating a new feature requested to allow the user to make bulk payments to enhance user experience. Scrum team does not want to be constrained by existing banking infrastructure and must identify an optimized approach that improves efficiency and user experience. How should the team move forward? During the QA testing before a scheduled launch of a web portal development project, the Scrum team encountered usability issues in the dashboard. They needed to improve it without introducing new failures. How should the team move forward? The product owner notices several backlogged items carried over from previous sprints without prioritization. How should the Scrum team handle the product backlog issues?